Are you tired of noise background ruining your videos? Maybe due to random street noise or people chatting in the background? Follow me, let me show you a super simple way to remove unwanted noise from your videos. And trust me, you will get this done in no time. Let's go. Open the KineMaster app on your smartphone. If you don't have the app, simply download it from your Google Play Store or your Apple App Store. Once the app is open, tap on Create New. Select the aspect ratio that fits your video. After doing that, click on Create to import the video that has the background noise. Select the video and click to open it. We've imported the video into KineMaster app. Next is for us to click on this X icon so as to get access to other icons on the app. Scroll through the icons you are seeing on the right here and click on Noise Remover and wait for it to complete the process. You don't need to interrupt the process at all. Now the process is completed. Click this export button icon to export your noise-free video. Please kindly watch this video on how to remove watermark on your videos. I'll drop the link in the description box. If you found this video helpful, please kindly like and share this video, hit the notification bell and subscribe to Imo Mondays TV for simple tips like this. Thanks for watching and see you in my next video.